Hey, I'm coming to you from Prodigy School of the Arts with your lesson recap of At Night on the River by Raja Orr. This song is in the key of D major, which means all of our Fs and all of our Cs will be sharped. This song is also in 3/4 time, so that means we will have 3 beats in every measure. We'll go ahead and get started right now with our third finger on F sharp. And we're going to immediately do a step down pattern, just stepping down right onto the next note, E. Okay. After that, we're going to stretch our pinky out one to the B. Okay. And our final note in this measure will be the D with our thumb. Okay. And that is the full first measure with the right hand. We're going to pick up our hand now to continue our pattern, but we're going to start. Our next note is going to be C sharp. So we're going to put our third finger on C sharp. We're going to lift up because this is a phrase right here. Because we could do this and flip over, but that would continue it as one phrase. And they clearly have written here that they want you to lift up and start a new phrase. Okay, so from here, the second note will be F sharp. Okay, and then we're going to start that step down pattern again from B and back to C sharp again where we started. So it's, okay, that's the second thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to work on each measure individually, playing it over and over again until it becomes easier. And then we're going to move on to the next one. Just keep playing that over and over until that gets easier. And then you go back and you put the two together. And then we're going to move on to the next pattern that we're going to play. The next note we're going to play, we're already right there for the B with finger 2. However, it is again a phrase there, so we have to lift up and then hit it. Step down. And we're going to play the pinky on E. So we'll start here. Okay. And the last note will be G. So we got to move down one. Okay. And just do that until it feels comfortable. So we've got now we're here. And the last one is starting on F sharp. So we're going to go do a third, minor third, step down to the G sharp, and then I'm going to add these two notes at the end, step down, E, D, and that concludes the right hand for line 1. Let's take a look at the left. Left is also going to start on F sharp, but it's still F sharp closer to middle C, and it's going to be finger number 3 on there. Actually, it'll be finger number 2 on there. And we're going to play an interval right here with the B. So push it together. Okay, and then we're stepping up one. Okay, with our thumb playing the G. So I want to explain a couple of quick things to you. This thumb will be doing double duty, playing the G and the A. That's going to come right after it. Another thing I want to point out to you is that your pinky right here on B You're going to hold that down. It is a tie for 2 measures, so we're going to hold that down for the entire time we're playing these notes here. I'll play the top notes again. So you're starting with your pointer finger, finger 2 on F sharp. And you're ending with finger 2 on G. So it's going to travel from here to there. And this thumb is traveling from here to here. Okay, so now we'll just add this pinky. It's going to hold down through that whole thing. Okay, we'll do it again. So as soon as I play this note, that finger pops up because it's only a half note. Okay, and now that we have that, we're going to now switch. So we're gonna start in this position, as you know, with the F sharp and the B. We're gonna play F sharp and B again, but this time here. So it's pointer and pinky, 2 and 5, and then switch to 1 and 4. So here, here. Either the pinky's left out. The first time we played, our thumb's left out. Second time we played, our pinky is left out. Okay. Okay. So we did the first one. Second one. Okay. Now from here, we're on measure 3. Now our thumb is pointed to double duty here. Okay, while this fourth finger is holding the B down for the entire 2 measures, the same as before. Step down. So stepping down, stepping down. Okay? This finger is not doing anything. And neither is the pinky, not right now. Okay. And the last thing that we have to do is play the 2 fingers that are up in the air here, just going to push down on the C sharp and the A. So we're going from here to here, from here to here. Of course, we're not playing this at the same time. So it's just this was already holding, and this is going to end up together. And then, so I'll start that again for you. So I'm going to show you the whole thing, and that concludes everything. And that is the left hand, measures 1 through 4, line 1. So that concludes this tutorial, and I want to encourage you to practice each day to make all of this become much easier. As you continue to practice, it'll all become easier and easier for you, and as you gain new skills.